Welcome back. Now from the home page of ActiveCampaign, you will be able to see the pricing. And if you go to the pricing menu and you click on it, what you're going to see is a matrix available to you. And you'll need to make sure that you classify whether you'd want to pay either monthly or yearly. Obviously, the yearly payment when broken down by month will be less than if you pay monthly. So in this case, we're going to switch the payment to monthly. You're going to see that monthly amount rise depending on when you're seeing this video. What you can also do is you can also drag your contacts to the number you'd be working with so that you get an accurate picture of what your monthly cost would be. So for example, if you don't have 500 but instead you have 5,000, you'll see then that your price for the most popular plan is going to be $169 per month. If you move this forward to 10,000, you'll see that your cost rises. You move it again, you'll see your cost rise again. If you're choosing between the systems, you'll notice that the second level has the CRM system as well as contact lead scoring. If you move to the third level, you'll notice then that site messaging is then going to be available at that level. On another note, with the second level, you'll notice that SMS marketing is going to be available at that level. And what you can do is you can try ActiveCampaign for a 14-day period from this page by clicking this green button.